Hello everybody. I decided to make a video today about this tapping noise in the dashboard of a '09 Nissan Rogue. Simple fix. That's the dashboard. I'm sorry, the glove compartment. Take the glove compartment out. Get underneath the dashboard. I'm not a mechanic, so I don't know the name for this part here. However, I pinpointed this location as where the noise was coming from. I disconnected this connector, and guess what? My problem is solved. The car's running now, very quiet. And we're all good. Put the dashboard back, just like new.